Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to Eyescream for Eye Cream. Yay! Yes, I just got my box. Checked my box and I was surprised that it was in there. But here we go. This is May 2023 Eyescream Beauty box, and we're going to find out what's in this month's box. If you haven't seen the spoilers, then you're in for a nice little treat. And even if you have, you get to see it more close up and personal this way. And hey guys, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. I'm glad to see you. Hello to every one of you. And if you're new here, I would like to ask you to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, and you'll know my next videos when they are out. And I do want to mention today that I am wearing the Eyescream Beauty palette from a couple of months ago. I got the I Love You palette by Marabella, and those are the colors that I have on my eyes today. So we're featuring this one. It has a mirror, so I'm going to maybe show it upside down. But those are the colors. They're very pretty. And I've got, got every color on. I sure do. Yeah, I just blend them all in there. I just start off with them darker colors and come on in with the lighter. Don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it, but that's the way I do it. But anyway, let's find out what's in this month's box. Now, Eyescream Beauty is a monthly box. It's $25, and you get about 5 items in each box. There's always guaranteed a palette, and it's usually always makeup. Every once in a while, we'll get a tool or a skincare, but not very often. It's usually all makeup. And I can't wait to pop in here and see what we have. They also have a bag. And if you're interested in a bag, you can get 3 items. It includes a palette, and it is like $12.50, I believe. It's like half price. So $25 for 5 items, $12.50 for 3, and you're always guaranteed a palette. I think that's a good deal. And I like it because it's all makeup. Well, for the most part. Our product card's right on top there, and it's May. And she does use these little like peanut things, and they dissolve when they get wet, so it's environmentally friendly, in case you ever wondered about that. And so let's pop in here and see what we have. It is Cyber Garden. Ooh, that's an interesting theme. That is our theme. Those are the items that we have. And I think the first item's always the palette. And it's hard to get to because it's on the bottom. So I'm going to reach on top here and see what I pull out. And it looks like a rose. And that's exactly what it is. This here is a 3D blusher by, I think it's Syracuse. And it's a $30 value. This blush has been all over TikTok. You can use a finger or a flat brush to pick up the product and apply to your face. If you want a very light blush of color, you can use any fluffy brush. This is definitely made to stay on any makeup vanity, and it's so cute. And it is. I mean, it's like Mother's Day rose. Mine's a little bit smudged, it looks like, on top. Oh. It doesn't smell like a rose, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's so pretty. And it did get smudged just a little bit on top, but oh my gosh, isn't that just beautiful? I just love this box. You never know what you're going to get in this box. That is gorgeous. Who would have ever thought about a blush like that? Wow. Very, very nice. $30 value, already paid for my box. The next item I'm pulling out of here is a liquid duochrome eyeshadow by Eyescream Beauty, and it's a $19 value. So let's look at this. This is a duochrome, a liquid form. Wow, look at that packaging. Look at those colors. Wow, that is awesome. Look at that. I wonder what that looks like. Ooh, look how bright that is. I'm going to be shape-shifting on the top of my eyebrows there. Oh, I seen some blue when I looked in the corner of my eye. Wow. That's cool. I'm sure that's not where you're supposed to put it, but wow. That is so cool. We better put a little touch on my inside here. Kind of bring it together. Wow. That is so cool. What do you guys think? I kind of got my tip a little dirty, but wow. Isn't that so cool? I don't think I have it even. And I know it's always the opposite side, it seems like. Whoops. Yeah, it's always the opposite side when I'm looking into the computer. Wow. That is so cool. I love that. And I love that it's liquid. I'm going to like playing with that. And of course now my eyes just look like they're lit up. I got a little bit too much on this side. See if I can tone it down a little bit. Oh my gosh. Anyway, isn't that cool? I just had to try it. And I could see all kinds of colors when the light's hitting it. Can y'all see that? Oh, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay. All right, our next item, and I'm so excited. It looks like we have us a lip liner. And this is a lip pencil. It's a Bel Air. And it is by Gerard Cosmetics. It's got a $16 value. This color was chosen by the owner of Gerard Cosmetics herself. And so we are glad that she picked it. It's perfect for any look and it's universally flattering. These liners are so creamy that they can be used all over your lips as well. It's not just to line your lips. That's really cool. I like that idea. Oh, that is a nice color. Oh yeah, it is smooth. Very nice. Very nice. I like that. That's a wonderful liner. Yay, this is such a great box. I just love it, love it, love it. Don't you love it? Now I've got a couple more items in here. And here we have a Beauty for Certain. And I think this is a high pigmented gloss by Beauty for Certain. It's a $22 value. So we're almost over $100 and we haven't even got to the palette yet. Beauty for Certain is a brand created by rap artist B.I.A., best known for her song Whole Lotta Money from her For Certain album. This lip gloss is hydrating, non-sticky, long-lasting, and lightly plumping. Ooh, I'm gonna like that. It gives your lips an extra shine with a smooth finish, and you can build it up to your desired intensity. So let's check this out. And hey, I'm going to try this on too, because you know what? I forgot to put my gloss on before I started this video. So here's our packaging. Here's what it says, Beauty for Certain. And we're going to pull this out and put it on. It looks like it's just a light gloss right over my lipstick. And of course now it's going to be changing colors. But that's okay, because I usually use these glosses over my lipsticks. So, yeah, I'm just getting all dolled up here, and I hadn't even got to the eyeshadow palette. That was a $22 value. And I forgot to tell you about this Duochrome. It says we're including an extra liquid Duochrome shadow to help complete the eye look for both palettes. But anyways, this can be used as a highlight on the inner corners of the brow and of the eye and of the bone area, and as an eyeshadow topper. It looks absolutely stunning over almost any matte. Well, you know where I put it. I put it up there, high up there, all over. I'm just glowing, that's all they're saying. There's two. That's a shake shift. That looks cool. That is really a cool look. Okay guys, we're down to the palette. And when she said any palette, I think that would be like whichever one you got. And I probably got to pick this out. It looks like I picked out Your May Girl times Cosmic Peachy Power. That's what I picked out apparently, or maybe I didn't, I don't know. Power or Virtuous Palette by Gourmet Girls by Cosmic Peachy, ice cream exclusive. This is a $33 value. These palettes were both designed by Cosmic Peachy and have the amazing Gourmet Girls formula. Try the quality for yourself. Gourmet Girls is both a woman-owned and Latin-owned business. This month we had two options, a colorful palette that was virtual, and that is perfect for spring and summer, as well as a more muted grunge palette, Power, that is perfect for every day. Both of these are only available at Eyescream Beauty. Oh, so we've got another exclusive. Wow. Okay, let's see this palette. Here's how it looks. And, woo, here's what we have. And you can see why I picked it. I wanted to get some greens, and I like the browns and the dark infinity that's on there, and I like the white that's realistic, and of course you got your chromes. And it's got a little bit of the mustard yellow, so I picked this because, you know, you can see the way I do my eyeshadows, and I'm pretty consistent in doing them those ways. I always put my dark on the outer, and I come in with the lighter, and I've got lots of choices, and then I can pop it up with some chrome, and I can really use some of that silver and green. I mean, technically, I wouldn't be surprised if I just use all those colors and blend them all over, because that's just how I roll. But anyways, I love it. What do you think? All right, as a recap, we have this beautiful palette with these beautiful colors from Power. So I'm going to be powering it on with these colors. And I know other people swatch. I'm not going to swatch. I'm just not very good at it. I mean, if I could swatch it on my eye, maybe I'd like to do that. But I've already got plenty of color on my eye. So we've got our Power palette. We've got our beautiful rose blush, which is just absolutely gorgeous. We got this wonderful Duochrome liquid. We got this really nice and moist lip gloss, which it's still moist and it's not matting up, so it's really nice. We got this wonderful color of a lip liner that is also moist, that can cover over your lips. And we got, I guess that's it. I'm so used to saying and I just figured I had more to show. But that's what we have. What's your favorite? Oh my gosh, they make it so difficult to have a favorite. I like it all. Because I've never had one of these, I'm going to say the Duochrome liquid is my favorite. I love the packaging on the blush, but I'm going to have to go with the Power palette. Okay, those are my favorites. What are your favorites? I liked them all. They're all my favorites. And don't forget, this was what I started off with, was the I Love You Marabella palette. Very beautiful, and we got it in a previous box. So you get all kinds of gorgeous palettes, makeup, and if you haven't tried Eyescream Beauty, I highly recommend it. I love this box. It is a wonderful subscription. She has not disappointed me, and I am on my second subscription. I did a 6-month, and now I'm on my next 6 months, and so you can purchase it and get a little bit lower rate. The 6 months I might be paying $22 a month or $23, just a little bit less. But if you are interested, I will have a link down in my description, and you can pop right on over there and get you an Eyescream Beauty box, because these boxes will be available until they're sold out through May. So be sure and get in on it. And let's see, I don't know. Oh, be sure and check my descriptions. I have several giveaways going on. I've got the Party Time Temu series going on. It's going to be 5 videos with a giveaway at the end. I have a I won, so can you, and I also have a PoshMark mystery battle box giveaway going on. So there's lots in my descriptions. Be sure and check them out. And as for Eyescream Beauty, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye bye.